What's up, T-Way? In the club with my twin, we be vibes.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Chyna and welcome back to another vlog. Yeah, okay, so today's a long day. And honestly, I was supposed to start this vlog earlier, but I wasn't sure if I wanted a vlog, but then here we are. Okay, so here we are. So you guys, my sister has convinced me to host my first game night, and tomorrow's the 23rd, so it's kind of like a Christmas game night. It's gonna be my first game night that we're hosting at our new place, so it's gonna be so exciting. Yeah, it's been a lot. So today, what I've been doing was I spent all day cleaning. I think for the most part, I've cleaned everything. Well, the only thing so far I did not clean was the couch. I wanted to like clean it a little bit and then fluff it out because it's kind of, everything is kind of like dead right now. So we're gonna do that tonight. I'm gonna try to get that done tonight. For the food, we're having fritai. If you're Haitian, you should know what fritai is. It's basically fried food, okay? So we have chicken that is seasoning that I have seasoning overnight. I spent like 2 hours, y'all, getting this prepared. You know, I had it like clean and stuff. I was cleaning it, and then I seasoned. I made the ippies, and then I have it stay on the ippies. So, so we have some eggnog. I have some cups, some paper plates, some napkins for tomorrow. My mom made some Haitian patties. Yeah, so my mom made some Haitian patties, and we also were gonna have some marinade, and we also have bun en peze. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna have for food, and then we're gonna have like the donuts as dessert, and then we have drinks. I have like a big bottle of wine over there. I don't feel like going over there, but anyways, besides that, we're figuring out the games right now. I wanted the first one to just be like family. I guess next time it can be like friends and stuff like that. But right now, what I'm working on right now is, so one of the games is we have to guess how much candy is in here. I already counted it. I already know how much is in there. But I'm printing out the little, you know, guess how many in the, and then you put your name, and then I'm gonna print out, let me show you guys. I'm gonna print this out, and then I'm gonna put it in here, and I'm gonna put it next to it, and then so that everybody can, like, you know, guess how much. So everybody can guess how much candy they think is it. And for that, we have some gift card for whoever wins. They're gonna win a gift card. Yeah, it's gonna be cute. It's gonna be really cute. I hope it's my first one, so I'm hoping it goes well. If it doesn't go well, I'm not having one ever again. Cause yeah, I've been stressed. Like, I've been so tired and I'm stressed. But anyways, y'all, so hopefully it's you know, it's nice. But I've been trying to print these things out, y'all. I don't know, like, now half of it printed out, y'all. It was also his idea. And y'all, he's just laughing at me, like, he's just laughing at us, and we're preparing all these things, and he's just laughing at us. Like my sister said, we're trying to create an experience, but he over here, oh, just have food and a few games and we good. Like, no, sir, if you're trying to host, you gotta host. But anyways, yeah, he over here, like, so yeah, you guys, so AKA we're end up doing everything, the creativity part. Anyways, y'all, yeah, so I'm about to try to print these out again, because for some reason it keeps on like stopping. It's not printing the whole thing, because I still need another page, and I still need to print the other thing, but it's not printing. I don't know what's wrong with this printer, and we just got it too. So it is currently, what time is it, legit? It's 12:32. I finally got these to print out, so thank God. But guys, this is what we have so far. This is what we have. How cute is this? Tell me this is not cute, y'all. Okay, but I don't know if we're gonna leave it here. I feel like we might put it, I don't know, somewhere else.
And if they didn't see it, just remind them, be like, hey,
right there,
make sure you guys put in the thing.
Hey y'all, what's up? So it is the next day. It is Saturday. It's currently, oh, I don't have on my watch. What time is it, did you? 3, it's 4 o'clock. It's 4 something. 4:18. Oh, it's 4:18, y'all. So we have about an hour. Well, I have about an hour to make all this plantain. And I just got to my mom's house, so now I'm trying to start the food. So this is the chicken that I seasoned last night. This is half of it, and then this is the other half. So I'm just shooting it. And then after that we're gonna start frying it. Right now what my sister got going on is my sister is doing the goodie bag. Most of the guests that we have is gonna be guys, so because my husband have like so much brothers, so yeah, so we have a little goodie bag that we're making. We got some games and stuff like that that Luigi's, you know, taking care of. She in charge of the goodie bags. This is the little bags that we're gonna put them in. And then after that, and then we're gonna play hot potatoes. And then we're gonna put like a gift in here or something like that, a gift card or something, or some cash. Yeah, you guys. So next time you guys see me, I'll show you guys more stuff once I get back to the house, because I'm actually we're like short on time, and I'm trying to like hurry up and get as much things done as possible, because I have to leave here by like the latest I would say 6 o'clock. 6:30. The thing started at 7, legit. Girl, anyways, and then we got some patties. My mom made some patties. My mom made some patties. So that's gonna be the appetizers. That's a lot of patties. Well, my mom made a lot of food though. But anyways, but yeah, guys. So that's what we're doing. Now we'll come back and show you guys more things. I must get started on the plantain because that's gonna take a while. So, all right, you guys. So quick update. It's 6 o'clock and we're not even halfway. Are we halfway? We're not halfway. Yeah, I'm stressed. But so far, look at the chicken, y'all. It's so good. It's so good, y'all. I did it. So good. I don't know why, but it's taking forever. This took like almost 30 minutes to cook. We still got this left. My sister is working on the bun, and my mom is working on the marinade. Yeah. Everybody's working, y'all. Everybody's working, I'm telling you. And then we got the little gift bag. Oh, I'm gonna put the stuff over there. We got the little gift bag.
Honestly, I feel like I just spent all my energy doing this. I'm not even gonna have enough energy.
It's just tongue and he grabbed it like this.
Where's he going? After Wednesday, it's a Creole word.
Okay.
Dale. Type number for time. We'll get already. Then please stick to the blue.
The blue?
It's easier. I
can
should have
flip
never
it?
said that.
Oh shoot! Okay, it's purple. We eat it.
Eggplant.
It's what? Oh!
Go.
Football. Did they have a what? They have a what?
Again?
No. Who do they have to buy?
Coach?
No. Who is in charge?
Coach.
She said it. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, good job. Good job.
Shoot. Kids play it all the time. They be staying in the closet forever. Video games.
I didn't see.
First word. Okay.
Hi. Okay.
You're very shoot like
Tired.
like the okay, no, whatever. Yes.
Jessica, say hi to the vlog.
What do you mean?
Say hi to the vlog, G.
What?
Say hi.
No, we should play Taboo again now.
I want to play Taboo again. Taboo was fun.
If they would want to play.
No, but they look like they serious. They serious, y'all.
Girl.
Wait, y'all play McConnell?
No, you can play with Rolanda. No?
We do have two, yeah. Hey y'all, so it is currently 2:15 and everybody left. Everybody's gone. And actually, I'm almost done cleaning. I'm pretty much done cleaning, y'all. Okay, so I was supposed to, let me just stay right here and talk to y'all. Let me go in the better lighting. But I was supposed to actually I was supposed to show you guys, you know, how everything was set up. I mean, it wasn't really anything crazy or whatever. The only thing that was set up was this little thing right here. They had to guess how much candy was in here. It was more fools. I think so some people took some candy home. And then they had to write their name and how much they think it was. So that was one of the games. At the beginning, sorry, and then I had like all the games set up outside. We had Uno, we had card games, we had Taboo, we had Family Feud. We didn't get to play this, but you guys, this was so much fun. That was my favorite game. And then this is Family Feud, and then we have this 5-ticket room. We didn't get to play this one. But yeah, you guys, so we played like a series of few games. We played the cookie game where they had to put the cookie in their hand and their forehead, and then they had to, you know, put it in their mouth. We played a lot of we played a lot of games, y'all. It was a lot. Yeah, I'm tired. I've been on go mode since what? I would say 2 o'clock. I made the chicken. I didn't even show you guys all the food. Like, it was a lot of food, and everything is pretty much gone. I showed you guys while we was making it, but yeah, guys, I'm glad everybody. Look, it seemed like everybody had fun. Everybody liked their gifts. I had 2 gift cards and a $20 bill inside. We played hot potato with the. We played hot potato with this box. with this box, and then yeah, we played hot potatoes, and then whoever won got whatever's inside, which was $20 bills. Yeah, we played a few games. It was fun. It was fun. Everybody seemed like they had a good time, so I'm so happy. It was my first. It was our first you know, game night. I can't wait to do the next one, but honestly, the next one, everybody bring your own food. Bring your own food, or we're gonna just do takeouts or like order pizza or something, because the cooking was cute. No, the cooking was the hardest part, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. The cooking was the hardest part because I'm tired. I feel like if we didn't have to cook, if we ordered everything, I feel like it would have been as much back and forth, because I had to go to my mom's house, cook the food there, because I didn't want here to smell like, it's not a big place, so I didn't want it to smell like oil and, you know, fried food. So I had to drive to my mom's house, cook the food, came back. I was rushing, like it was a lot. But all in all, you guys, it was a success. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. It was good. I'm about to sleep. I'm about to get ready to sleep. Oh, you guys, look at my sweater. My sweater. Let me show you guys my sweater. Let me show you guys my sweater. See? Look at my sweater. It was a ugly sweater party, but not everybody you know, wore a sweater because it was kind of last minute anyways. So but I got on my sweater. Everywhere I go, you can hear me. Anyways, guys, you guys have a great holiday. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog for the rest of the week. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog for Christmas. If I do, I might not. I don't know, we'll see. But Merry Christmas. You guys have a great day. Be safe. Yeah, you guys, look at my tree. It's so cute. Look at my tree. So beautiful. So beautiful. The thing is not turning on anymore. My thing is not turning on anymore. But anyways, y'all. Bye.